It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, we have our Boxycharm by IPSY box for the month of June 2024. This is a monthly box here. This box generally contains 5 full-size products with makeup and skincare items inside. The box is $30 a month plus $1.99 shipping and handling and tax based on where you live at. And again, you get 5 full-size products in this box, which is why I like this box, because at least you got full-size items to really try stuff out, especially with the skincare, because you know that's something that takes time. But anywho, we're gonna get right into unboxing this box for June 2024. So let's go. And our little newspaper is in here, and sunny days ahead. So this is our little newspaper. And on the inside, we have some information about the products in our box, which is cool. On this side and over here, this is the stuff you could kind of add to your cart. And on the back, they talk about like the mega drop sales and other sneak peeks for the month of July. So let's do this thing. So the first item I'm pulling out my box, guys, this product is called Mielle. Not familiar with the brand at all. So let's see what we can find out about this one. So guys, for the Mielle product that I have here, this is a honey infused hydration mask. It's valued at $45. Kind of pricey for a brand I never heard of. And what it does is it says soft and radiant skin, here you come. This mask is powered by honey, which is essential with amino acids, and helps with hydration and prevents the formation of wrinkles. And this will help draw all the impurities out of your skin and moisturizing and leaving you with an ultra soft glowy skin. So again, this is valued at $45. That's kind of pricey. I've never heard of this brand before. So it's Mielle Skincare is the brand. So let's see what else is in our box. Got a high price mask there. Jeesh. So guys, the next item I'm pulling out, I have First Aid Beauty. This is their Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with sunscreen, and it has a broad spectrum of SPF 30. This is valued at $32. And it says this is a must-have for the summer. And it has the SPF 30. It delivers all day hydration and protection in one single step. So you simplify your morning routine. And this does say that it's safe for sensitive skin. For those of you that do have sensitive skin, I know you have to be mindful of what products you're putting on your skin. So this is what it looks like outside of the box here. Oh, it comes with a pump. Okay. Little pump applicator. Yeah, I like the ideas all together. I hate when you have to put on sunscreen, because I don't do what I'm supposed to do. I know I'm supposed to wear sunscreen every day, but I'm in the house majority of the time when I'm working from home, so I don't put the sunscreen on, and then I forget when I run out to go do an errand. So yeah, I like the ideas all together. That's one last thing to have to reach and grab and add to my routine. It's already in there. So yeah, so let's go to the next item. So guys, the next item I have, it looks like we have Pink Lips Cosmetics. This is a lip gloss duo. This is valued at $20. And this one here says change up your lip game. It got a whole lot better, featuring these 2 duo lip gloss, these mesmerizing formulas and multi-dimensional glass-like sparkles that lasts for hours. It's infused with vitamin E, and it provides a lustrous shine and also nourishes and moisturizes your lips. So these looks like they're sheer colors too, so you can kind of probably top them on your lipstick or something. But if I'm not wearing makeup, I generally just have a lip gloss on most of the time. So these are our 2 colors here. So we have like a pink one, and then this one is like a gold with some shimmers in it. I don't know, this pink one doesn't look, oh, it does have a few shimmers in here. It's not as much as the gold one, but yeah, that's the 2. This is valued at $20. So yeah, I like that. So let's see what else is in here. So guys, the next item I'm pulling out my box, we have a Lunar Magic by REM Beauty Lunar Magic Blurring Primer. So this is valued at $29. And let's get some information about this product. I haven't used this before, or I don't even think I've really dealt with this brand before, actually. Looks like it's some makeup smudge or something on this packaging. See that smudge there? That doesn't look like that belongs there. I'm sure it has a safety seal, but now it got a safety seal, so I'm good. It just got a little beat up probably at the warehouse. So this product here says, maybe it's magic, maybe it's blurring primer. This formula contains the brand's Hydro Blur Essence to nurture the skin with hydration and microalgae to soothe. This is interesting. It says this results in a smoother looking complexion with a matte finish that keeps your makeup from melting off. Okay, so that's good to know. I would like to give this a whirl. Summertime, we need our primers to be keeping everything in place instead of our face just melting and looking a hot mess by the end of the day. So yeah, always use your primer. So let's see the last thing that's in this box. And we have makeup. So let's see what we have here. Oh, Ace Beauty. I have their eyeshadow palette here. This is Ace Beauty's Mystic Romance eyeshadow palette, valued at $38.99. And this palette, it says, is your makeup routine in need of a little romance? This gorgeous palette is full of the most enchanting shades. Think shimmery mauves, a deep cranberry, even a golden shimmer to help you create the eye looks from everything from a brunch to date night. So let's take a peek. Love palettes. I like Ace Beauty's palettes though. I've used them quite a bit. I have quite a few. And I really do enjoy them. So here we go. I'm going to roll the mirror back and look at these colors. Oh, I like this one. This is nice. I can't wait to get my fingers in this one. This is really nice. These are like really dope colors here. Like you could do so much. They're right. You could do date night, brunch, whatever you're thinking. You're literally going to have everything you need to create even a softer look. You can make a softer look out of this palette. You don't have to go too heavy, and you can go with a more dramatic look by blending a few of these shades together. So I'm definitely vibing with the palette. This was definitely a good choice for me. I can't wait to use this one. So yeah, so you guys, let's see what we got. We got the Ace Beauty palette here, the eyeshadow palette, which I'm really liking. We have the Pink Lips lip gloss. We have the REM Lunar Magic Blurring Primer. We have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Moisturizer with sunscreen in it. And we have the Miel Honey Hydration Face Mask. And that is everything in my box, right? Yes, that is everything in my box. That's all 5 products. So guys, I'm looking forward to using this Ace Beauty palette. This is at the top of my list of what I liked out the box. I always love lip gloss, so that you can't lose with lip gloss. Everyone needs lip gloss. You just don't lose with this. So I love these two right off the bat. I'm curious to see how this Lunar Magic primer is going to do. And then, spa day, you got your mask, and then you're going to put your sunscreen on after your sunscreen moisturizer rather. So we got our honey hydration mask. We got our moisturizer with sunscreen. So spa day followed up by a moisturizer with sunscreen. I figure we good to go. So yeah, that is my box for June 2024 for Boxycharm by IPSY. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did pick this up, I would love to hear what products you got. Let me know if we're twinsies and got some of the same items. But yeah, I would love to hear from you guys. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love showing you guys what I'm unboxing and what I'm purchasing as well. If that is something that you're into, go ahead and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and tap the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But until my next one, I will see you on the next one. Bye.